Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to make Israeli coffee. I hope you guys like it, and I'm going to teach you the steps how to make Israeli coffee. Subscribe. Hey guys, so I'm back. So right now we're going to make some Israeli Nescafe, means coffee from Israel. And what we're going to do is that I'm going to pour a little bit. I know that was a lot, but it doesn't matter. So I'm going to pour a little bit of that. And then after that, I'm going to put this over here because I don't need it anymore. And now I'm going to put some hot water as we speak. And I don't know if you can see that far, but I'm going to put a little bit so I can put the cream that I'm using. That's a lot, whatever. After that, you open it and you put a little bit of cream, a little bit, not too much. That was a lot, whatever. After that, we're gonna mix it, and after I finish mixing it, put the spoon away, and then after that, I'm gonna drink some Israeli coffee, shigon.